आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज़।
I can share today that there is a considerable improvement in Pakistan-Afghanistan bilateral relations. President Ashraf Ghani's visit to Pakistan in June 2019 was a leap forward in our trust and confidence, and we intend to build on that visit. It was also extremely useful that the two leaders, Prime Minister Imran Khan and President Ashraf Ghani, had a good interaction on the sidelines of the OIC summit meeting in Saudi Arabia. We are also happy to share that the APAP's mechanism that had been put in place was reviewed for the first time, and we agree that it is a useful mechanism and we should make more use of it. I'd like to take advantage of your presence here, sir, to extend or reiterate our invitation to President Ashraf Ghani for joint inauguration of the round-the-clock services at Torkham. Prime Minister is looking forward to an early date, which is mutually convenient, so that we could inaugurate that collectively. We also feel that China is not just a close friend, but a good neighbor and a trusted partner. And with growing Chinese interest in regional connectivity, we feel not just Afghanistan, Pakistan, the entire region will benefit from it. We are also excited about the peace process moving forward. I wish you success, and hopefully from this US Taliban framework agreement, we would move to the next stage, that is intra-Afghan dialogue, negotiations.